DStv Premiership latest and breaking news. According to Soccer Bullets, Stellenbosch confirmed Chiefs have made an offer for Mthethwa. Stellenbosch FC CEO Robbie Benati has confirmed that Kaizer Chiefs formally submitted a bid for Sibongiseni Mthethwa. A few clubs have shown interest, including offer from Kaizer Chiefs, but as of today, he remains firmly with us. Kaizer Chiefs head coach Molefi Ntseke has explained the absence of Tebogo Mpontsane and Duduzi Mdantsane against Royal AM. I think we are doing a very important tactical rotation of our players, and it also depends on the approach for the day. Kaizer Chiefs played to a 0-0 draw to Royal AM at FNB Stadium. The game was full of chances for both sides to grab a win, but the front lines could not take their chances. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.